Hey everybody, this is Dr. Matt with Chiropractic Solutions. Hey, I want to talk about migraines with you because if you are suffering with migraines, chiropractic may be a solution for you. So we've had numerous people come in with migraines and get better with them, but I'm going to share you a specific case that I found to be very intriguing. This woman came to us with migraines. They were going on, she had one migraine a week, which at one point doesn't sound bad, but then she was bedridden for 2 days because she just couldn't handle any extra stimulus at all. And being bedridden for 2 days out of a 7-day week, that cuts out about 30% of your week, of your waking hours, okay? That's a lot of time. That's a lot of productivity where we're just completely inefficient and someone's actually got to take care of you for that time. So we began to adjust her very gently and specifically to help free up. Her neck was an absolute mess. She was incredibly tight. She didn't really report a whole lot of neck pain, but she couldn't rotate her head at all. Shoulders were incredibly stiff, and upper back was very, very stiff. And that's where she took all of her stresses in her shoulders. So we began to work with her, and within a month's time, she was not having one migraine a week. She was having one migraine every couple weeks. During the second month, she was down to one migraine every 3 weeks, and she wasn't bedridden anymore either. Like she got a migraine. Yeah, it was bad, but as long as when she felt it coming on, she was able to find a place where she was comfortable. She could ride it out, and it wasn't a 2-day gig. It was like a couple hours, and then it would pass. So with what we were doing with her is just taking a lot of the stress off of her spinal cord and her brain. So when these triggers would come and give her a migraine, the effects weren't nearly as bad. So, and then with continued care, and she's a wellness patient, has been here for years now. Migraines are gone. They're a thing of the past. And I mean, she may have one a year, and again, it's very manageable. But migraines are a huge detriment to a lot of women particularly. I know it can happen to men too, but if you want to get your productivity back, be efficient, it's tough with a migraine. So if migraines are something that plague you, maybe chiropractic care is your answer. This is Dr. Matt with Chiropractic Solutions. Lift your potential.